Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make twisted ties for the ends of your friendship bracelets. Okay, so for this bracelet I'm having 2 twisted ties, but you may only have 1 or you may have 2. So I have 2 and I'm going to have 1 on either side. So I'm just going to only do 1 tie for this example. So I'm going to put my strings for my other tie to the side and have the strings for my tie that I'm doing now right here. And I'm going to separate this into 2 groups. So I have 4 strings, so I'm going to put them into 2 even groups. I'm going to do a pink and an orange and a yellow and a white. And on one of the sides you're going to twist either left or right. I'm twisting left. And then on the other side you have to twist the same way as you twisted this strand. Like that. And now you are going to twist them together the opposite way you twisted both the individual groups. So I twisted them both left, so I'm going to twist them right against each other. Okay, now I have done how long I want my tie to be. I'm just going to do an overhand knot right where it finishes. And now you're just going to cut it off at about here, and then there's your finished tie. I'm now going to show you how to actually put on your bracelet, since you've finished your bracelet and you've even done the twisted ties too. So to actually put it on, you can turn it around and put your wrist like this and grab one of the ties and put it through the loop. So I'm just going to grab the loop and one of the ties, and I'm going to put it through the loop like this. And then I'm going to hold that and grab the other string and tie a knot around it. So like this, pull, and then tie another one. And that's how you put on your bracelet. And to take it off, you just untie that knot and take it out from the loop, and then there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and were able to make your own twisted ties for the ends of your friendship bracelets. This was a pretty quick tutorial because these twisted ties are actually really quick to make. If you have any other craft ideas or bracelet patterns that you want me to try out, then can you please leave them in the comment section below, and I will maybe do them. And until next week, happy crafting.